Are you thinking about updating your home's plumbing? Trusted Plumbing and Heating is here to explain why PEX Plumbing is the top choice for modern water systems. So, what is PEX Plumbing? PEX stands for cross-linked polyethylene, flexible, durable pipe that's quickly replacing copper and PVC in homes across the country. PEX piping is color-coded for easy installation and is ideal for carrying both hot and cold potable water to your sinks, showers, and other fixtures. Unlike copper pipes, PEX resists corrosion, scale buildup, and freezing. Its flexibility makes it perfect for repiping and new installs, so you save time, money, and minimize the risk of leaks. Fewer fittings mean fewer potential problems, and repairs are a breeze with easy-to-use PEX fittings. If you're considering a full home PEX repipe, need plumbing system upgrades, or just have questions about safe water distribution, the experts at Trusted Plumbing and Heating are ready to help. We serve Renton, West Seattle, Kent, Tacoma, and the entire King and Pierce County area. Call Trusted Plumbing and Heating today at 206-207-5399 for fast, friendly service and reliable PEX plumbing solutions built to last.